In the digital age, having a mobile app is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for businesses looking to stay competitive. However, creating a mobile app can be daunting, especially for those without technical expertise. Enter Zapable, a user-friendly mobile app builder designed to simplify the app creation process. This innovative platform empowers businesses of all sizes to design, develop, and deploy custom mobile apps with ease. Zapable is a mobile app builder that allows users to create feature-rich, fully functional mobile apps without any coding knowledge. The platform offers a wide range of customizable templates suitable for various industries, including retail, real estate, fitness, and more. Zapable's intuitive drag-and-drop interface ensures that anyone, regardless of their technical skill level, can build a professional-grade app. Zapable integrates seamlessly with popular services like Stripe and PayPal, enabling businesses to process payments directly through their apps. This integration is particularly useful for e-commerce stores, restaurants, and service providers who need to handle transactions efficiently. Zapable offers a wide range of features to enhance the functionality of your app. These include push notifications, booking forms, property listings, podcasts, image galleries, and membership protection. Businesses can also create custom forms, manage loyalty programs, and offer in-app purchases. One of the standout features of Zapable is its real-time update capability. Users can make changes to their app on the fly, and those updates are instantly reflected on the app without requiring users to download a new version. This ensures that the app remains current and relevant. Traditional app development can be expensive, often requiring significant investment in developers and designers. Zapable provides a cost-effective alternative by eliminating the need for a large development team. With Zapable, businesses can create a high-quality app at a fraction of the cost. Zapable is revolutionizing the way businesses approach mobile app development. Its user-friendly platform, versatile templates, and comprehensive feature set make it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to establish a mobile presence. By making app development accessible and affordable, Zapable empowers businesses to connect with their customers in new and innovative ways. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large enterprise, Zapable offers the tools you need to succeed in the mobile-first world. Thanks for watching.